Hi everyone, today I have the Clinique Almost Lipstick in the shade Black Honey, and I am obsessed with the formula and color of this lipstick. The name Almost Lipstick describes it perfectly because it is a really great cross between a lipstick and a lip balm. The formula just glides over the lips so easily and it feels so good going on. Another thing I love is this color. So whenever I first got this, I was not so sure that I would like this color. I have naturally more a light skin tone with cooler undertones, and so whenever I saw this I was like, that might be too dark on me. That's not normally the color range that I go for when choosing a lipstick, but whenever I swatched it on the back of my hand, it is definitely not an intense color. It's such a pretty kind of a brown berry color, but I feel like it looks really natural and subtle, but still flattering. And another thing too that I like, I'll show you. So that was just one swatch. So, if you're looking for something for everyday wear, something that's not going to be too bold, that is a really good option. But if you want something more intense, you can add on another layer and see how in the middle it just intensified. So I love products that you can build up the color as well so that you can get the payoff that you are looking for depending on, the type of situation you're in, the event that you're going to. I really, really enjoy this. It's a super great, I don't wear lipstick every day, but sometimes I want something to just give me a little pop of color, and this is really great for that. Or if I want to build it up for something like at night or an event that I'm dressing up for, it's really great for that as well.